This is a review of the stainless steel garden hose that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to unbox this to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are also going to test this stainless steel garden hose out. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything you get inside this package. You can see how beautiful the stainless steel garden hose looks like. It is a 25 feet and it has 10 functional nozzle functions, so pretty much you could adjust it to a jet mode. It has different types of mode, which I'll show you guys, but you can see here how beautiful the stainless steel quality is and how beautiful the hose is itself here too. The blue looks absolutely amazing. But now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go test this product out to see whether or not how well this thing works. Okay, so we are going to put this, onto a test. So we have on jet mode. So let's try jet mode. This is setting number 1, 10 different nozzle functional effects. This works very well if you're trying to wash your car. Then we go down to the setting number 2, which is it's pretty much the mist mode. So let's try this. Good for, watering the grass. You could use it for that. Then we're going to go down to the shower mode right over here. The shower mode is good for the same purpose too, if you're watering the grass as well too. Then we go down to the soaker mode as well too. So if you're trying to rinse your washments of your car, your towels or anything like that, your sponge, they can use it for that. Then we're gonna go down to the cone method. Let's see what that does right here. So when I do this one, it spreads out very evenly. It looks very, I love the fact that it goes every evenly. And then we go to right over here, the angle mode. So let's see what this does. Good too if you're watering the grass. It points everything down, so it added a different angle on so pretty much it goes downward. So we go flat mode. It was good too for watering grass or if you're washing your car. Then we go down to the 1 for, also good for watering the grass as well too. Then we go down to the full mode. Let's see what this does. I love how this one has more of a stronger pressure. It feels very nice and firm, and water pressure is more stronger than compared to the jet mode. Then right over here we get the center mode. Let's see what this does. It spreads out very evenly for watering the grass or pretty much watering the plants. It's good for this mode. Then last but not least, we go back to the jet mode, and this is the 10 nozzle functional effects that it has. I absolutely so far love this product because of the fact that it has 10 different nozzle functional effects. It's 25 feet, so it's plenty of it's not it's long enough, and it's stainless steel quality. It feels very nice and firm. It feels very smooth, and it works very well. And the most important thing, it doesn't leak at all, which is something very important. And last but not least, the most important thing about this is that it pretty much it doesn't have any, like if I move it like this, or if you put pretty much put your foot or anything like that, it doesn't bend. So water will still go even if I, for example, put my foot down on here. It doesn't bend. That's the most important thing when it comes to a garden hose. It has no bend, so you can pretty much use this for washing your car. Pretty much it's a multi-purpose garden hose. And yeah, so far I absolutely love this product and would definitely recommend this 25 feet stainless steel garden hose. If you're looking for a new garden hose, then this is probably one of the best ones that you could get.